Hello, this is Robin from the Cocoa Daisy Memory Keeping Design Team, and I just wanted to show you a little video of the things from the Simon and Betty kit that I love so much. These are my favorites. Okay, this page in the Traveler's Notebook, which is also called the Simple Dory. Love it. These pieces from the Pocket kit. These are some of the ephemera that I really love. Over here, it's hard for me to pick those up. These beautiful hearts, these are like material. I really like them. And as you can see, talk nerdy to me. Probably one of my favorite sayings this month. Oops, a little bit more ephemera. These are some of my favorite cards with some of the best little sayings on them, which I love. Lots of pink. This is the Mondayest Monday that ever Mondayed. That's a real favorite. And of course, I really like the acrylic, and so do a lot of the other design team members, so I'm sure that this will be a hit. This is from the planner kit. I love this. One of my favorites, for sure, in probably all the notepads that I've seen so far. This is just so me. I love this paper as well, and you're going to see it probably in my Simple Dory. This is from the Class 5 planner kit. I love this distress heart look. Also probably going to be in my Simple Dory, as well as this washi tape. Beautiful. This is from the planner add-on kit. I'm not a big sequin girl, but I really love these sequins. They're very beautiful, and I am going to find a way to add them in my pocket pages as well as my little Simple Dory. I love these cards that were included. I never trust any atom. They make up everything. I just love it. I'm a science geek, so I really like it. And of course, who doesn't love coffee or tea? Coffee's good too. And my tabs, all of my tabs are always open. So this is true too of me. From the pocket, from the Simple Dory or Traveler's Notebook kit, these are some of my favorite pieces. These two little ephemera, I really love this. This is my favorite song of all time, by John Legend. I love this stamp, and I've seen a lot of the design team members using it already. It's just the cutest thing ever. I also love all of these little items that came in there too with the stickers, and this tag is the bomb. This is one of my favorite pages. It's like a continuation of the paper and ink kits. I really, really like it. It's beautiful. And of course, this is so cute. And again, I love science. And then finally, from the Classified Memory Keeping Kit, I really like this washi tape. It's so pretty. I love puffy stickers, and there's a lot of them in a couple different colors too that I really like. And then finally, I just wanted to show you the pink pom-poms. Now, in 2018, one little word for me was grace, and I chose pink. And I had pink in my hair, little streaks of pink in my hair, kind of hidden because of my job and dress code. But blue is my favorite color, and it's very interesting to me how drawn I am now to pink. It's kind of crazy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough, and that you find some things in the kit that you love too, and that you share with us on Facebook, Instagram, and looking forward to hearing back from you. Thanks.